Hi everybody. This is happening now. Oh my, sorry for being so late. Cheers everybody. I've been YouTube has been acting up. I want to set up YouTube memberships and I uploaded a video and the video is like loading, finalizing, doing checks. It's like, oh my gosh. I wanted to try something because I heard that Picotron manual has been updated. And I want to see what's that all about. Hey, SPU streams. Yeah, there's the it's look at this. Let me switch. Oh yeah, it's me. Let me make it bigger. Boop, 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 boop. So look, it's 3.0. It's 3.0. Big. So I wanted to go through some of the stuff or to kind of like prepare myself for the imminent release of the new Picotron, because I want to just like produce a video right away. I might do a big video about this because this is system messages. What is system messages? Processes in Picotron each have an entire separate Lua state, but they're able to communicate with each other via messages. Oh, which are strings generated by using pod on a message. Each message. So they're messages. Hey, Nampoodles, let's go! How are you doing, Nick? You've been missing out on the Final Fantasy streams. You know how Final Fantasy works. You are Final Fantasy experts. Well, expert. You're multiple experts. You've been moving? Where are you moving to? Oh, don't dox yourself. The state is fine. Texas, back to Texas. Is it back to Texas? Back to where it all began, baby. Gotta go back to my old self again. Each message has, so each message has some field, an event that allows for receiving. Okay, so this is just like to communicate, so multiple cards can communicate with each other. That's fine. I know, right? I saved in my memory. It was Final Fantasy III, the good one. Or the best one. They are all good. But one of the best ones. Like, mind blown. And then I forgot everything else about this game. Well, not every. I remember one thing and I'm looking forward to that. And then I'm replaying it now. And it's like, this is why I love this game so much. Oh my gosh. Also, Nick, have you played the DS remake? Because that one is also pretty good. Yeah, they established a lot of cool stuff. 2 and 13? I haven't played 13. The DS one was hard? Really? I'm playing it alongside. I haven't gotten too far. I just got to Bahamut. To the Bahamut mountain where he tries to feed me to his babies. Okay. I'm looking forward to check it out. But what I want to try out here is customizing machines, getting started. Where is the Anyone? By the way, Anyone is a whole can of worms that I haven't opened yet. I tried it once and I realized there was some iffiness with the dates. Because I hate dates in PCs. Dates are the worst because like time zones involved and it's like, fuck this. Sorry for cursing. and yeah, that I fell into this again. You can do the dynamic anywhens. So anywhen is a built-in version system in Picotron. So everything you do gets automatically backed up and like created. It creates like a GitHub, custom GitHub thing in the background, which is nice, but also like all of the timestamps. Yeah, it gets very confusing. You know what? You want to rewind to a certain date, because you can rewind every folder and every file to a certain date, but that date is not necessarily in your time zone. But where is it? Network. Sock. There we go. Online high scores. This is the good. This is the new good stuff. This is the new good stuff. I mean, it's sort of adjusts. That's the problem. Like it's a mess. Like every date system is a mess because there's just so many different ways to encode dates, and there's so many assumptions that ride along with it. So I think it's saved it by time zone, but didn't correct for like summer or winter time or something like this. Or there was like 1 hour difference. And I don't know why. Score sub. Okay, so Picotron provides an online high score table service that is available to Picotron users while logged into their Lexlevel account. This service is still experimental. It is not yet available in exported cartridges or on the BBS Oh, important. Not on exported cartridges. And not on the BBS web player. So only on your local machine. Is that what we're thinking about? And only when you are loading it into Picotron. So then you could have score sub, table. Why did when I click on this, it scrolls. So there's a table name, there's a score, and there's some extra. Submit a score when one is given, and return the state of the table. So it also returns a table. Table name determines which table to fetch, store to, and is automatically created if it doesn't already exist. It is a string of up to 40 characters long, containing only characters. To fetch the state of table without submitting scores of my table. So you just leave out the parameters. Gotcha. Score is a number and indicates the score entry should be submitted to the server. Okay. Extra is in string, cropped to a minimum of 1024 characters, and can be optionally used to store anything related to that score entry. For example, a puzzle solution or additional game stats. Yeah, so you could save, I guess you could save the name? No, you don't have to save the name, because I think that comes automatically, right? Because you have to be logged in. So really, the extra could be stuff like, you could save a replay if your game is not, if you're really efficient with the because 1024, I mean, it's fine. Score sub returns a table of up to 64 entries, where each entry is also a table with the fields user ID, a string that is uniquely undefined by the player. Okay, user name, the player's username might change over time. Okay, so ID is not the same as name. Okay, got it. Score, a number, extra, the extra string, and icon. Is the icon? I guess the icon is a user data object, right? When attempting to submit a score, when there is no user logged in, not stat64, or the BBS is not reachable, score sub returns nil. In this case, where the network is temporarily unavailable, e.g. Wi-Fi, the process will periodically reattempt to submit a score. Okay. Score sub is not blocking and does not immediately return changes to the table. What does it mean? Blocking sounds like it doesn't stop the execution of the program. It should be normal. It should be normally be. Spelling needs some checking. It should be normally be continuously polled to show live changes as they happen. Does it say it should not be normally? Some scores do not show up in the results until they have made the round trip to the server. I don't, that's something that I don't understand. Score sub rate limits. Score sub can be called frequently, but both incoming and outgoing changes to each table will update at most once per 2 seconds. The number of different channels that can be accessed by score sub also limited to 4 within channels. What are channels? It doesn't say anything about channels here. I don't know what channels means. High score table namespaces. Each BBS cartridge has its own namespace for high score tables by internally pre-pending the BBS ID to the table name. So for example, the BBS card Ranger 0 P64 issued in table level 1 is actually indexing the score Ranger level 1. Okay. This means that it's not possible for a BBS cartridge to conflict with another card's high score table. That's good. Or with its local cartridges, which are further separated by... Okay. So the high score of local cartridges is different from the BBS cartridge. But the BBS stuff isn't working anyway, right? It's still not working. BBS web player is still not working. This means that it's not possible. Okay. It also means that when a cartridge is released on BBS and is running from BBS, the high score tables will initially be empty, even though the same table names are passed to score sub as during development. Okay, so once you release your game, your high score resets. I wish there was a bit more control over the high score table, like if there was like a back-end login so I can delete like stuff from there or copy stuff in. A podnet is a public file storage service. That's interesting. That can be used to share pods and other files with other Picotron users. Any address on podnet can be read by any other user, even when not logged in. Open podnet. 1 high from podnet. Okay. The first number in the podnet location is the BBS user ID. So right now it's 1, I guess, right? A number of the person who stored that file. Each user folder is writable using score etc and is listable using ls only when logged in as that user. To view your folder, log in first and then view the root folder. Open podnet. Files on podnet are also published at podnet.flip.io and are visible. Oh, we're cooking here. Zep made like an entire internet there. In the future, it will be possible to apply for a flip.io subdomains that can be pointed at particular podnet paths, so that Picotron can be used to author tiny websites. Sandbox cartridges will be also allowed to make limited store calls in later version. So we will be able to write to files on the podnet. Right now, oh yeah, but because right now, because right now we cannot actually write to the podnet. I'm guessing score sub is writing somehow to the podnet. Podnet limitations. Maximum file size is 256K. In each user's folder has a soft storage limit of 64 megabytes. Soft meaning that... Meaning what? You get like a strongly worded message when you reach it. Cartridges on Podnet are not mounted, so their metadata and icon is not available. Okay. What does mounted mean then? Cartridges and Lua programs on Podnet can not be run using create process. Okay. So I guess to implement some malicious stuff, to prevent malicious stuff. Podnet does not implement any read access control and should not be used to store sensitive information, although files can be superficially hidden using hard to guess paths. There's no guarantee that they will eventually be discovered. Yeah. So the problem is like you can open any file on your anybody can open any file on your Podnet folder, but they cannot actually list all of the files on your Podnet. So if you make like a weird name for your file, people might not discover it. They have to brute force it. I'm assuming that Zep spent a while preventing Podnet abuse. That's why it took such a long time. I like it. I just want to try it out. Let's see. Is there anything? Maybe it got accidentally released in this last couple of minutes. Nope. But look. Yeah, that's this thing that got released. So there is like a login window now. Can we zoom in? So there's like a login window now. You can create different users even. And then this is like a game that is played online. That's Score Sub, I guess. And this is what Score Sub returns when you submit a score. And this is how you can submit scores. Okay. This is my Mastodon. Oh, you didn't see it. That's good. That's good that you didn't see it. Toast. There's a toast. Should we get our kitty out? Perfect pastry parcels. Wait. Ooh, that looks good. Oh, this is a little bit like... I thought this was... Oh. This is sick, bro. Ah. Very nice. No! No! Wait. Hold on a minute. Let me cook. Let me cook. Yes. This seems like a good choice. Oh, devious. I mean, this solves that problem. feel like we're already dead. We're already dead. We don't know it yet. Huh. Yes. This is possible. But now what? Now what? In my hubris you forgot. In your hubris you forgot. Yes, yes, yes. Bing, bing, bing. This seems easy. What's the problem? Oh, high score at a name. It's me. Let's go. My chan. Submit. Wow. Some people are really good at this. Ah, the baker's dozen. Okay, good. Spaghetti ice game. Seems like a German person as well. Oh yeah, it's Matt Sutton again. Matt Sutton's been going to town. Lazy user data tunnel. Woo! Doesn't seem lazy at all. I haven't made it. Look at that goober. Whee! Can you sit on the window? Yes, you can. Oh no, he fell down. What a goober. Let's keep that cat. Oh my god, he climbs up the window. No way. All right, enough messing around. We have work to do. So last time around we had the compass, which shows us now, for example, that this is. So yeah, this is a perfect example of what I'm talking about. So right now the compass token, it has a certain bias. I think it prefers to show left and right. And I want it to be biased, so it always gives the least amount of information about where the vampire is. Right now it shows me that, yes, the vampire is here. But I want it to be biased, so like in such a situation it would point upwards. So I'm still not sure which of the three cards it is. I can rule out these cards, but I cannot rule out these cards. Right now, the way it does it is it rules out 4 cards. And it could be far less useful. And I want it to be biased, so it's always as least useful as possible. I think we did it here. So yeah, asshole compass we called it. What? Excuse me? There it is. Oh, it's up. It's uppercase C. Okay. Okay, so here's where you do this. I've been thinking about how to pull this off. So we're gonna go if. We're gonna first check if we're aligned with. Because when we're aligned with, we don't have a choice when we're aligned. We only have a choice when the vampire is diagonally away from where we are. And then else we do something else. And we can do it like ternary here. Arrow equals so X aligned, so it's either up or down. Let me think about this. So if card is, no, it's exactly opposite. Like this. Yeah, because if the card is smaller, yeah, than the band is, okay. And then this. Okay. And then all right, and then the rest. This is now where we need to optimize, because we don't have a choice really for the two first cases, but we do have a choice for the other case, because when it's diagonal, you can either show left or right, or like left, right, or up, down. And then we need to pick which one is the best choice from this. But the problem is like there's like 4 different quadrants that we need to cover, and I would love to have a solution that covers all of them. Okay, let's just assume it's the vampire's up left, right? Then you would do something like this. Face up. We can just counter face down card. Face cards equals false. And something like this. If or then inventory equals plus equal 1. We need something like this. Right? Something like this. So we just count the face up cards in horizontally way and vertical way. So the only shrink that we need to find out is what is going into those brackets, because it's like if C dot card X is smaller that should be an else, because those could be the same thing. Smaller than card X and oh my gosh. Something like this, and oh my gosh. Oof. Uh-huh. And then we're gonna go like this. No. This is what I think it is. Okay. So now if I put it, let's say I put it here, I would expect it to point left, not down. Yes. Let's try it again. So now if I put it here, I would expect it to look down and not, oh wait. If I put it here, what do I put it here? Then it should point to the left. Yes. Let's do more tests. I kind of can't believe that it just works. It's a little bit insane. Insane in the main brain. If I put it here, it should point up. If I put it here, it should put... It doesn't matter. Oh no, it actually does matter. Pointing to the left would be better. Yes. So this pointing down, no matter where I put it, it should always point down. So even here, it should point down. Oh. Incorrect. Why did it point left? Ah. I wonder if it should add plus, equals. You should count equals as well. Does it, should I count equals? Oh man, I need to visualize this. Actually, let me debug this. Okay, so if I put it here, vertical is way better than horizontal. So why is it pointing horizontal? It counted it correctly. It just responded wrongly. I don't get it. Oh, wait. No. Oh, I still have the old stuff in here. No. Okay, let's get rid of that stuff. I just overwrote the... Okay, so let's cover up this one and it should point to the left. Yes. So now it should point to the up. Yes. Should point left. Yes. Okay, here it always points up. And here it's like up is way better. Yeah. Mm-hmm. We can even add randomness to this. Vert equals vert plus plus RND. I'm gonna add a random number to this. So now if they're equal, it will pick a random number. So now there's no BS, no bias, toe bias. Okay, that seems like it was successful. Let's do parity next. No, actually, this 50-50 Joker would be the easiest one. Let's just finish up all of the new tokens today. And then we're gonna think about what's next. But first, I will grab myself a nice steaming cup of coffee. I'll be back in a second. Yes. I have returned. Oops, nope. No. Not quite, we're almost there. Why is everything black? Oh my god. There we go. Sometimes it takes a while. All right, I'm a bit older. All right, let's implement the remaining. The remaining jokers. I'm gonna also write in here joker selection. I'm not sure the 50-50 joker, because in the case of the parity joker, no, not the parity joker, the compass joker, that was a clear replacement for the box joker, but now this joker, I don't know which it will replace or not. So yeah, it's a little bit difficult. Let's first make sure that it spawns. There we go. No. When we deal cards. No. This happens when we deal cards. There we go. Something like this. Should we call it 50 or should we call it percent? Let's go with 50, I think. That's 50-50. I mean, you could call it 50%, but I think that's a little bit too... Don't quite have the space for this. And then we can go btube equals RND butt deck. Like this. It's a lot better, more succinct. And it also allows us to expand things a little bit. All right, so in this joker, we just want to loop through all of the cards. Yeah, let's make it dumb. Gonna make it dumb. I'm not sure if I have the, not the Joker. Do I have Vampire? Like a reference to the Vampire card? I don't, right? I should do that maybe. Oh well. Let's just do this. Oh my gosh. There, dear. And I'm gonna go if c dot value equals 10 and vampire equals c. I think that makes sense. Because, for example, here, not here, but token callback, for example, here, that way we don't have to loop through this. We can just go like vampire dot. Oh, yeah, we can go like this. See, this will make things a little easier. Get rid of this entire loop. Let's go local, and then we can get rid of this even. See, and then here add card can't vampire. There's going to be just one candidate here, and otherwise we loop through all of the cards, and then if c dot face up face equals false. Then add that as a candidate. And then local card pick equals RMD card can. So we got a random card from the list of candidates. And then we just put the token on that. Put the token on the card. Why is there a plus in here? What is drop token? Oh, there's a type. Okay. So this is the 50 token. Let's call this type 50. And this is called, say, 50. And I'm thinking, what are you thinking about? Well, I'm thinking of an orange. And then here in token callback, let's call this the C. Or like uppercase C. Let's see, classic game. All right, yeah. I forgot. I made a silly mistake. Here, when you're dropping the card, that should be card pick. Ah, we always forget this. This and boop. Oh, this could be the you don't know. That's very good, very good. Oh man. Okay, let's oh man, so many 50 blue. So this would be easier to do. Let's go. Okay, that gives us a safe one. Ah! I'm losing my own game. Okay, this could be. I love how it's like it could be the thing. You don't know. Oh, by the way, why does the token? Shouldn't the token be ghost? It feels like it's not ghost. Weird. All right. Wait. Oh, we can just keep. We haven't made it disappear. Gotta go for it. I mean, I love this is the thing I love about this game, where it's like you put somewhere, and it's like, and it tells you nothing. It's like I don't know what I expected. Let's go for this. What? Okay. Boom. Give me something. Okay. Oh. I feel like I should put it here. Oh. Oh. Great. Great. I don't know anything anymore. It was the vampire all along. No. Ah, Fanny. I forgot something. Always, yeah, there's what I want. Card pick has 50. Just making sure that we're not getting multiple tokens on the same card, and then we can. It's a little bit over engineered, but okay. So if card #card can't. Then we're just gonna try it like this. Oh, and also this includes the vampire. Engineering is best engineering, that's true. So now, okay. Oh, so we put it in Joker at the first attempt. Stab it! Stab it! Let's go! Yeah. Just stab to 50%. Yes. Oh no. Oops. So yeah, that seems like step to 50%. No. You lied to me. I trusted you. Okay. This is done. I think that 50% Joker should be a little bit rare. I don't know about what the parity think. In my tests, the parity thing was okay. The problem with the parity is that the actual problem I have with parity is information design. Because what it does is you pick a card and it shows you all the neighboring cards. Like the initial thought was like you pick a card and then you get like a comparison joker, and it tells you if the neighboring cards have the same parity. Okay, but depending on which parity you pick, it will mean something different, so to speak, right? It will just tell you, oh, this. If you pick an even card, it will tell you, oh, this other card is also even. If you pick an odd card, it will tell you, oh, this other card is also odd. But you could just as well say, like, just show me the parity, like, just tell me if that other card is just odd or even. Because like you put like a token on there, and that token says like equal parity, right? Like, just let's say it's an equal sign. So like you look at an odd card and you look at the other, and the other card also could be odd. But if you look at an even card, the same token means the opposite. Now it's even. So the tokens mean different things depending on which cards they're put on. And I wonder if it makes more sense to just like put this card is even, this card is odd kind of thing. But if you do that, then that neighboring aspect is kind of like gone, like the relationship to the original card is gone. But also like it doesn't matter because it's like either even or odd, right? There is no third option there. You could pick the joker as a third option, and it will just never be the same parity, right? Is that something? I think that's true. I mean, that would be nice if the joker was just like neither odd or even. You could try that. Is there in maths, is there a symbol for same parity? Ah, it is. Oh, wait, I think there's a postman coming. Just some batteries. Modular arithmetic. Okay. There's a compound symbol. In mathematical notation, what are these between almost equal, asymptotically equal, approximately equal. Oh my gosh, none of these are correct. What is this? There's so many crazy symbols. Delta equal to. Logical equivalence. Isomorphic. Jesus Christ. Let's try that. Let's just try that. Hey, Bretsky! I'm going to use the equal sign. It's not equal, but you know what I'm saying. It's just a prototype anyway.
Happy Valentine's Day.
So basically, it's all of this. We have to repeat this. No, we have to repeat this. Ouch. Yes. It has to be done. Card has pair. What is the other? We just had the compass and 50 has 50. By the way, I just want to make sure that ghost on. But first, let's do this. All right, let's rewrite this so it works with the equal sign. Okay, it has pair. It has. It called it has pair down there. Okay. Oh my gosh. Okay. So this just checks. So this will exclude. This will exclude the vampires. And then it's like if this card value modulo 2 equals card value modulo 2. Actually, no. So this will, yeah. So this will exclude also the cards where there is no parity. And then when we drop, we don't need to even do the modulo anymore. I feel like 16 is the right color. I don't know why. It just feels correct for me. La, la. Oh my gosh. Has pair. Huh, interesting. Oh, it just like cancelled basically. Yeah, I shouldn't be doing that. Yeah. Yeah, we should show it's not the same parity as. See, this is showing the same parity. It should have like not the same parity. Okay, let's make it better. Make it better. Move it faster. Makes us stronger. So we do need the parity after all. Let's put it down here a little bit, just real quick. Let's make it a little bit clearer. Let's put it like an X or something. Do we need to take n? Take n? We need it. Okay. Now this is not correct still. It's a little bit verbose, but I like it a little bit better than the inline. How would I call it? Ternary. So here just need to replace the 4. No, that was 2. 3. 1, 2, 4. All right, let's try this. Okay, so this is same parity. That's good. It's safe. Same parity. Oh. Like this. Oh, that was 50. Oh, that was a compass joker. Okay. We trust. Where is the parity joker, bro? There we go. So these are not potentially dangerous, but it could be just like an uneven. I like it already. I like it so much. Somewhat less useful. Yeah, this is good. Okay, these are safe. Okay, these are safe. Let's put it here. Yeah, because it's like 6 and joker. Yeah, let's go. Ah, it's the joker. Okay, good. Seems like it's working. Yeah, you could technically put the greater, smaller or greater, or the parity joke on the same card. But you know what? We're gonna burn that bridge when we get to it. So the parity thing has been taken care of. Now what I want to take care of is, yeah, what about the ghost of the tokens? Let's try to figure out why the tokens are so weird. I thought I made sure that, yeah, drop token. Ghost equals true. Yeah, okay, now it works. Well, I wonder why I didn't have this. What? Oh, it cycles through. I didn't even notice. All right, so now I want to maybe set up a situation where I can select which jokers will show up. Which jokers? Oh, getting a message that I should check. I'm checking if his new Picotron is dropped, but apparently it's still not. Still nothing. Okay, so how are we going to do this selection of jokers? Should we just do like a list? I guess we're just gonna do like a list with buttons, right? That's how we're gonna do this. I agree. Dee dee dong dong ding dong 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 ding dong 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 dong. What are the jokers? I'm sorry, I'm ordering free pizza for this evening. We're gonna do some board game today. I don't even know how to write margarita. Joker butts, that's right. This game will turn me to a joker butt. Wait, did I? Oh, it should be joker butts. It should be. I like joker butts though. It's wrong. It should be token butts, but whatever. It's my life, and it's now or never. La 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 la. La 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 la. La 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 la. La la la. La la la. La 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 la. Da 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 da. Very good. Yes. So these needs to be now 2 state butts because right now they're 1 state butts. They should be 2 state butts. Flip butt. We technically don't need this, right? Oh, also we need to maybe Yeah, we need to create joker butts. Not. We're getting a little bit dirty here. Let's go. Let's do proper camel case. But you haven't done whatever. Whatever. And here. Function flip but. I'm gonna do like this, flip but. And here Let's not call it flip butt, let's call it toggle butt. Like this. Yeah, we need something like this. They need their own draw function, sadly. Oh god, I hate this. No! Bam. Oh, you want to be defining a button? No, we need to start drawing stuff. Like this, right? Technically, I could do it. This is the kind of function tree we should go inline. Oh, whatever. So we always have the pointer cursor. Let's try that. I think we messed something up. Yes, yes. Yeah. Jesus Christ, I hate this. What? Oh no. Okay, you know what? Let's get this one out because I hate this. Let's put it in a text file and let's bring it back. Let's bring that later. Oh god. Oh my god. Kill me now. There we go. Okay, it does interact correctly, but it's... How about false? Okay. It just doesn't look different. Oh man, I need to sit. What are we? So this should fill. Oh wait. It's still the same. What is going on? Maybe on is not correct? Let's do like this. Okay. What do you mean? Oh my god, I hate this. I hate this. I hate UI. It doesn't seem to draw. Wait, because I have attach button and this is... Yeah, okay, got it. Okay. I hate this. I hate this. I hate you. Typ? Oh, yeah, yeah, yeah. There we go. Attaboy. Okay. That's what I wanted. This is how I win. I wonder if we should be on the left side. Feels better. I kind of like it better on the left side. Yeah. So now when you start, we need to parse those joker butts. Dee, 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 dee. No. So we're gonna look through all of them. If b dot on we should encode whether they're special or not. So special meaning that they are false. That they only go on the, there's just one of them on everyone. Deny true. What? Okay. Add joker, b joker. I guess it should be other way around. Yeah, oh no. So if it's on, we're adding it to the joker list. Okay, and then when we deal cards, This is our butt deck. Okay, let's call it butt deck then. Butt deck. If butt deck special, if hashtag butt deck special. So if there is a special, then and so we're gonna get one random one, and then type is gonna be a random from butt deck special. Like so. What is happening? What? Syntax error near. Oh. Huh? I don't understand. What do you mean? Okay, then I get it out. Oh, I hate this. Okay, but okay. So this is, I'm just gonna restart a couple of times. Okay. Yes. So this gives me like a crazy collection of the jokers. Let's play a little bit. So this is 6 or higher, seems good. Let's compare. This would give me a chance to identify this correctly. This doesn't give you actually more information, unless these are safe. So this is definitely safe. This is unsafe. This is probably the Joker actually. The vampire. Okay, good. So should we go for box? Always go for box. Oh my gosh. So the 50 Joker is not that useful now. Let's go for parity. I don't actually use parity now. I'm gonna uncover this and then compare. Okay, so this is safe. These are not safe. Give me 50%. Oof. Yikes. I like it, by the way. It's already working well. Huh. This could be a Joker. The vampire. Could be not. Okay. How? Why didn't it show the other one? Let's go for the box. Ooh, Stabby Rudy. Let's go. Ooh, I don't know if it's a Stabby Rudy now. Feels like this might be. I love it. Oh no, wait. Let's make it more. Okay, see. What is this? Oh yeah, dude. No, that was a 9. I'm too greedy. Winnings -12. No. Okay. Okay, these are not. Well, you don't know. That's the thing. You don't know. Okay. So these are safe. So wait, which are so this would be even. 2, 4, 6, 8. Oh, this is a joker. Boom. I vampire. I mean. Okay. Let's go for the compass. So if I put it here, it won't help me that much. Okay, at least we know that it's not this. 8 plus, huh? Okay. Boop, boop. 50% Joker. Let's go. You think so? You think so? Okay, let's think this through. How to maximize this. So how many? We have 2, 4, 6. We don't have 8. We have 3. You don't have 3. We have 5. Okay, so there's 3 still there, up there. So should we put it on a 5? Let's put it on a 5. Okay, so this might be clear. Ooh, big. Should have put it on a 7. Oh, it's smaller. Okay. Stab. Yeah, this is good. This is cooking. This is these jokers. They work well. We're cooking chads, lads. Let me play 5 more games, and I think we'll wrap up for today. Been streaming for 2 hours. Yeah, let's just set a timer. I want to be playing for 10 minutes. Let's say 10 minutes. And then maybe there's going to be some insights from this. So this is the parity joker. 2, 4, 6, 8 are all gone. So it's never gonna be, yeah. So I want to put it on an even one. So maybe on a 5 here. See, that gives us access to this one, which is good. Now it's a 1 in 3 chance. Now this would be the moment where I maybe cash out here. This gives me to this idea. I had an idea how to make the cash out a little better. So there might be like an exit card. And if you pull that card, then you can cash out, but otherwise you're committed, you know? Oh, gotcha. Okay, these are clear. So which parity should we take? 2, 4 is gone. 6 is not. Okay, so if we put it on an even card, we can expect maybe the 4. If you put it on an uneven card, 3, 5, 7 is not there. We can expect also 1. Doesn't really matter. Okay, so that didn't help us at all. I love it. Let's always go for the box. The box is just too strong. So this is higher. And we already have, so this could be 9 or the thing. Let's put it here. Oh, that doesn't help us at all. Oh, boo. Just step 1. Yes, we did it. I shouldn't have done the 50%, but we're just gonna assume it's the one. Compass. I should have put it here. I'm so stupid. Yeah, it's this one. Okay. This is safe. That's a very nice Phoenix. That was risky. Let's stab it. Yes. These are safe. Ooh, Stabberoni. I don't know what I expected. All right, let's put it here. That's always a good when you get in the middle. Let's put it here. 7 plus. So there's either 8 or the vampire. Okay. It's so nice that you get the 50%. It's like, oh, I don't know, man. It sounds sketchy. Okay. Clicked on the wrong one. No, it would cash out. Okay. Could have stabbed. Yeah, I'm thinking. Stabbing should be just a flat payout. It doesn't matter when you stab, because you have to stab at some point, right? It should be just a flat payout. And but the punishment for stabbing is the problem. Still, I haven't figured out the scoring quite well. But the jokers are nice. They add a lot of variety to the game, I feel. Let's go here. That was a little bit risky, but let's go here. Okay. 50-50, let's go. I mean, it's 50-50 either way. It's so funny that there's just, you don't get it. I love this. This is so dumb. But somehow feels better. Yeah, so now if I uncover this, I get 50% joker. It just doesn't matter. Oh, it's so funny. Okay. Oh, that was close. Yeah, also this doesn't help me at all. Maybe this will help, but no, it doesn't matter. Just step random one. Oops. Okay. Trust the joker. No, I trust the joker. So funny. Yeah, but also that might be fun if you say like it's just flat risk and a flat reward. That would give you an advantage. Okay, so it wouldn't reward you for stabbing earlier. So the correct choice would be always to uncover as much as possible early. I guess the reward is that just the round goes faster. Oh. Always go first on this one. Okay, see. Yeah, let's go here. Oh. Should we go for this? Yeah. No. Compass. No. Winnings are good. No. We're losing our winnings. The winnings. So now it's a lot safer to uncover these than to uncover this. There's still a 9 out there. Let's get this, and that's the question is like, should we go for this? We expected a 9, so that will be an uneven anyway. So let's go like this. Okay, so this is not the same as this, which means this is the vampire. Yeah, yeah, we got it. We got it. Wait, let's uncover the center card. That's smaller. The useless 50% joker. Let's go. Yes! I like, this is something that was also an original, and I think it's still there. The fact that it quite often boils down to just a coin flip. To me, that's very funny. That's very funny. Wow, that was a 9? Oh my gosh. Go for the box. The 50% joker. We could maybe uncover this. 7+. Let's go. 9+. Stabber. This is safe. All right, I think let's finish this board. Do a useless joke. That was vampire. You were correct. No, this is good. I think the new jokers are good. We might add 2 more or so, but otherwise, I think it's good. It would be nice to have like a compass style joker, some more compass style jokers. But otherwise, no. This is looking good. But the scoring is the thing that concerns me right now. exit door cash out is the next thing I'm gonna try. Stakes based on max card value. Static stab bonus. Revisit not sure tokens. Because I'm not sure tokens, so it's impale. So it's a stab, and if it's not the joker, it resets. It resets the board. It's peak. It's yeah. I have to look at the original ones. And then a stake. Yeah. Also, I want to add another token, maybe. Stake boost token, or let's call it bait token. Okay. I think we're getting somewhere. I'm feeling a lot better about how the game is progressing. I think the current version of it, especially the parity, I think we fixed the parity. I wasn't so sure about the parity, but now it makes sense. Now it actually, there's a strategic decision about whether to put it on even or odd card. It kind of like, think about it a little bit more, it gets you a bit of a strategic decision making there. So when we talk about the next streams, I will do the next stream. There's going to be a Final Fantasy III stream, but not today, but tomorrow evening. And as far as this Picotron stuff goes, I probably won't be streaming on Friday. I want to have a day to think things through and quietly. Probably Monday is probably going to be the next time I will stream Picotron, but this might change. If the new Picotron version comes out, I'll probably do like an ad hoc stream, and we're going to try to figure things out together. I will let you know on a Discord channel for sure. Also, YouTube memberships are probably coming out in the next few days, probably even today. We're going to see how this works. I'm currently debugging some issues. Thank you so much for joining me. It was a huge pleasure, and see you next time around, guys. Bye-bye. Ending the stream.